Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to use the new tag feature to manage the access to your created records in a sales coding application, and how to configure a workflow to manage the lifecycle of a code. There is a fictitious insurance agency that has two branches in two different regions. Each branch has one sales manager and two salespersons. Also, both managers report to the vice president of sales. In such case, you must first create a tag for both regions. Go to your tags page and click on Create New Tag. We created them as Region 1 and Region 2. While creating tags, you can set an icon for each of them and change their styles. It's all up to you. When you're done, click on Create Tag. Your tag will be created. After creating region tags, we will also need to configure a workflow to manage the lifecycle of a code from its creation to completion. To do this, you should also create tags indicating the stages for the coding status. We have created the following 4 stages. New, which means a new code is created. Pending, which means a code is being worked on. Bound, which means a code is sold. And cancelled, which means a code is not sold. The next step after creating the tags is to create identity templates to determine the access and record viewing permissions of the sales managers and salespeople of both regions within the workspace. Go to your identity templates page and click on Add New User Template button. First, we will create salesperson templates for each region. Give your template a name. Then select the appropriate region tag in Workspace Rights under is associated with field. Make sure at least read-only access to all applications is selected for application rights, and add edit access to application data associated tag right for data rights. Make sure to check should these tags be evaluated conjunctively option. This option will ensure the user to see their own records, because the rule checks if a data record contains both region and user tags. Follow the same steps while creating the other region's salespeople template. After that, it's time to create sales manager templates for each region. Sales manager templates are almost identical with a salespeople template, so you can use the clone button to copy and modify an existing template. All you have to do is to change the template name and make sure to leave should these tags be evaluated conjunctively option unchecked. This option will ensure the manager to see all data records which contains associated regions tag. Finally, create Vice President of Sales template. Select both region tags in Workspace Rights under is associated with field. Make sure at least read-only access to all applications is selected for application rights, and add edit access to application data associated tag right for data rights, and leave should these tags be evaluated conjunctively option unchecked. This will ensure the vice president to see all data records which contains associated regions tags. After creating identity templates, you can invite users to your workspace. Enter their email and click on Add button. You can optionally add a message to your invitation. Also, you can select identity templates while inviting them to the workspace. Clicking on Send Invites will send them an invitation mail. You can resend or revoke your invitation from Invited Users page. When those users click on Accept Invitation, they will be led to Register page if they do not have a SpreadsheetWeb Hub account. They should create one first. After they register, they will also receive an email confirmation mail. After they confirm that mail too, their SpreadsheetWeb Hub account will be activated. To accept your invitation, they should go to My Invites page located under Workspaces and click on Accept. They will be added to your workspace, and the chosen identity template will be applied to their profile. To use quoting status while creating new records, you need to modify the Excel file related with your application. You can download your Excel model from your Applications page by clicking on Download Excel Model button. Open your Excel file and create your quote status list, which are basically the tags you created in your workspace, and add these options to an active status list. Then give them a named range for the UI input of your application. When you're done, save your file and go back to your SpreadsheetWeb Hub Applications page. Click on Go to Designer. From the Applications module, you can update your Excel workbook. Upload your updated Excel workbook and click on Update. After that, go to User Interface module. Now drag and drop a drop-down list, then select the name ranges you have recently added to your Excel file. Also, you should add a save event to your Get Code button. Click on Get Code and click on Events field and choose Save. You can find tag-related properties after adding the save event. Mark Assign All Tags associated with the current user option to assign user's own and associated region tags, and mark Assign Tags by Named Range option as well, and select the name range that is bound to quote status. Selecting this named range will ensure the selected status tag will be assigned to the record. When you're done, don't forget to publish your application to apply all changes. After the application is published, created records will be displayed to users according to their assigned ident templates. Let's say a salesperson from Region 2 is creating a quote. They should first open the application and fill the fields according to the client. When they're done entering the data, they should click on the Next button. From this page, they can choose Code Status. Clicking on Get Code button will download this code as a PDF file. Also, it will save this record to the application's database with selected Code Status tag. We created this record as a salesperson from Region 2. When they go to the application's data page, they will only be able to see records created by themselves. And when we log in as a salesperson from Region 1 and go to data page, they can only be able to see records created by themselves as well. Now we logged in as a sales manager from Region 1. When they go to data page, they can see all records created by Region 1's salespeople. Now let's log in as the Vice President of Sales. When they go to data page, they will see all records created by both Region 1 and Region 2. And this is how to determine user roles, manage user rights, and track processes such as coding status, workflow, and payment trackings within your workspace with SpreadsheetWeb Hub's new tags feature. Thanks for watching.